Here's how to remove vanish mode in Instagram. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove vanish mode in Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just open up Instagram. And here, as you can see, I'm on Instagram right now. And there are basically two ways on how you can remove vanish mode. So we're just gonna hop right into it. First up, just basically go inside your DMs. To know what vanish mode is just basically in the end of your chat, so right next to the person, you'll see that corner or circle thing right next to the person's account, and that means they are on vanish mode. So if you don't know what vanish mode is, it's basically more private talks, and if they take a screenshot inside a chat, you'll be notified, and they can't just it's just basically called a privacy chat. So the first method is very simple, and it's written literally in front of you. It says swipe up to turn off vanish mode. So if you just swipe up on your chat, here as you can see, it says swipe up to turn off vanish mode. So if I swipe up just like that, vanish mode will be directly turned off. So now the other method is very simple. You just gotta go to the chats again, and once inside chat, just basically press on the person's profile on the top where it says their name. Once you press on it, it will just bring you right over here, and you'll see many options right over here, but you just gotta press on the second option called privacy and safety. Once you press on it, here as you can see, you just gotta press on the option of vanish mode, and you gotta turn this off, and here you go. You basically remove vanish mode in Instagram, and if you go back to chats, and here as you can see, it's disabled. So yeah, this is how you can remove vanish mode on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.